Create a landing page with Jasper AI. First of all, you are in the main page. You will go on the left side and create and click on the create the content. Then it will take you to different page to library, and you will choose a content marketing, and you will view a category. Right now you are in the content marketing, and you will choose a landing page, which is popular option. Here you can just put there any information about your landing page, and will create a full landing page for you. So I can just choose a product. For example, I have digital marketing services, so I will go with these as a product. That's a product service are promoting basically. Key benefits, I will just generate option. So my key benefits here, for example, a proven tech record on increasing online visibility and driving conversions. So that's, for example, my features or benefits. You can just put there yours, and we'll go with next. I will choose my audience, and I can go with small businesses, startups, and e-commerce. So of these. I'll go next. And structure. How would you like this landing page to be structured? I can just generate options. So it will create like a full description for this landing page with different points, with call to action, with different fields. And I will go with next. Then I will add more information because I want be more. I want it to be more prepared. So I will go with lead magnet, and I will go with a generate response. So it will create like a full description of the lead magnet I need right now. So I will go with next, and I will just click this button, generate now. And Jasper AI will generate a full landing page for you in a few minutes or few seconds. Take your business to the next level with tailored digital marketing strategies. Increase visibility, drive conversions, grow a business. You have written out everything you need for your landing page, so you can just copy it here and put it on your landing page. This is it. See you in the next video.